So the more and more that I research the issue, the more and more I'm just motivated to just take this thing back and just return it as is. No attempt to fix it. Just take it back. And, find other crap to buy. And look, this one's missing the PlayStation logo. So I'm not going to open this one up. I'm not even going to bother. What I'm going to try to do is I'm trying to get my air compressor to go because it's cold out. And I'm going to try and kind of clean it out and see about some other things with it. But I believe the Blu-ray player has failed. And there is a game on it, and it does work as far as that goes. It starts to put out a fair amount of heat fairly quickly, so I'm just kind of like, I think this is probably just a big waste of time to mess with this thing.